Kind of confusing on this moment calendar. Experience telecommunications contacts with wrong going on to 6661 for this company at Friday, 19 November 2021. Context same for about family Adi Bana Malika. Definitive being supported by country research but confusing. There is moment experience telecommunications contact body supernatural. Suspect definitive gains for existence iconic historical name Adi Bana Malika. General Pangkostrat Berbekat Adi Malika. Context on this moment calendar. Peoples from country domicile Indonesia actually known actually recognized for the existence icon historical Adi Bana Malika. And what confirmations 26661 for discovery on this moment calendar. Context Adi Bana Malika definitive on assets on country Indonesia and still maintains until this year 2021 by his family actually, and going to confirmation again for next with name Irwan Cornell or include to name Irwan Cornell. For about North Sumatra University, ownership and chambers actually head chairman to Father Adi Bana Merdeka. And then also about National Banking Indonesia also BRI, and then also about names another as a set of Adi Bana Merdeka on country Indonesia. 6661 got discovery meaning being approached also for status family Adi Bana Merdeka as nation's family leader country Indonesia. Until this moment, year 2021 still exists since years before 2008 and polemic for rebellion or challengers suspect activity among social human commanding Gosum group ethnic costumes local pribumi Indonesia or chasing for iconic chambers nations country Indonesia named Father Adi Bana Merdeka. Context says 6661 for discovery meaning as project include also for Adi Bana Merdeka interest on this millennium. Actually, Father Adi Bana Merdeka on interest for include as official or contact committee as a nation's country supporting Indonesia. For project title 6661 for discovering appointment decorations, proclamation existence alien country my logo, naming go vivo. They already complete that very definitive significant being agreed by international to Internet ID 6661 for discovery. Context General Adi Bana Merdeka definitive exists for claim Internet ID 6661 for discovery meaning particular about existence case activity supernatural human commanding goes to grade. Peoples from domestic country Indonesia, ethnic costumes with their conspiracies, friendship, international also. Continents Asia or Nick title to non-pribumi Indonesia. Context chasing for iconic historical nations Indonesia. Jenderal Pangkostrat Pemerang Segi 30 SPKI Adi Bana Merdeka Ginting Suka. So this moment calendar contact say need to be proven again, need to be confirmed again by 6661 for discovery. But about name Father Adi Bana Merdeka definitive exists since years before 2008 and still contacting with his family to local domestic each other's on country Indonesia. Nick International for him also Adi Bana James Bond 007. Context say through this month calendar Allen found international award confirmation about that. For Adi Bana Merdeka on money reward with country Indonesia for name Irwan Cornell. But about also involved the appointment decoration proclamations Allen Farm ownership national Maya logo 666 or option conversation next again by Country Indonesia for about name Farah Aribana Merdeka Giting Suka. 6661 got discovery definitive trust particular by people's country Indonesia and also international connections experience on this day. Telecommunications contact body supernatural happening. Say Aribana Merdeka James Bond 007 definitive and not to be dubbed anymore. Definitive status as victim being bullying for his historical iconic Chamberlain nation country Indonesia since years before 2008. RPK Pangkostrat Adivana Merdeka Pemberangus Kudeta Nasakom G30 SPK. Contact sustain needed by 666 Hong Kong Scar framing on this day. Internet ID 666 Hong Kong Scar framing about pioneering existency case supernatural with claim suspect activity to human conspiracy supernatural local or human commanding goods from ethnic customs local each countries. Continent Asia and also about Code Jihua or Code Biguganjang also similar with them each other. Context definitive chasing or with discrediting for name iconic chamber historical country Indonesia. Name Father Adibana Merdeka Giting Suka. Parents of Irwan Cornell honor Internet ID 666 from Crescal Premium. During this moment, they experience telecommunications contact body supernatural keep going on years after years. 2015, 2018, and this year also 2021. Context 666 one Crescal Premium on chance potential for make particular English speech for about the name Adibana Merdeka. Definitive being supported by local people's country in Indonesia. For instance, also as chambers to military country in Indonesia. Context Adibana Merdeka definitive status attributed as attaché military country Indonesia. Count local country Indonesia context similar with that. 6661 can discover framing through this moment experience telecommunication again. Calendar 19th of November 2021 Friday. 22 trillion rupiah definitive or being recognized by peoples and also networking international for about experience telecommunication experience supernatural suspect of the human local domestic each countries. Religions conspirations continue with them through this moment millennium and voting iconic chambers local domestic country Indonesia. Pemberangus G30 SPK. Jenderal Pangkostrat RPK Adibana Merdeka Giting Suka. Context say his children or his son actually name Irwan Cornell and also another. Context say definitive status as target or black god for social syndicate supernatural activity local town Medan, North Sumatra province. Karo and also Nias or Batak also and also Javanese or also friendship for non-pribumi local Asia and also another. Context says 666 Hong Kong discovery framing success for the pioneering existence case until this year 2021. Definitive on the alibi and can be following for the pioneering and reward money for name one corner is available. Need to conference also for about name Adibana Merdeka as one sponsor or being supported by County Indonesia for his iconic General Pangkostrat RPK also parents of Irwan Cornell honor of Internet ID 666 on discovery. On this moment in 2021, contact for about North Sumatra province university also and also nations country Indonesia banking also ownership by Father Adibana Merdeka. 666 Wangkor scarf framing on this year 2021 definitive significant based context. What about the conference internet global particularly recording voice also existence case supernatural feminist millennium called human commanding goes in grief called Jihua, called Beguganjang and also ethnic customs local and religions conspiracy with them from Asia continents since 2008 and progress until this year 2021. Telecommunication and contact body supernatural significant happening and getting clear for confirmations and next appointment meet. But about reward money also 22 trillion rupiah for name in one corner. Context says 6661 for discovering definitive premier alibi for the situation condition since year 2008. Independence and on particular conference internet significant and being known famous and social. Context says people are recognized for suspect identity on this day. Definitive leadership by Japanese or iconic Chifua from country Indonesia with their next conspiracy local domestic also non-Pribumi Asia for about also ethnic customs local Pribumi has another link or syndicate with them. On this moment Millennium Day, definitive non-responsible activity and already clear for their authentic identity among alibi or through this moment improvement day. 6661 got discovery meaning contact first beginning or precondition for about their status. Suspect chasing or blackgoating icon historical nation country Indonesia. Pangkostra RPK Adi Bana Merdeka, Pemberangus G13 PKI. Contact their status suspect definitive for about G13 PKI also, and also the continued orientations syndicate terror through this millennium. Islam Indonesia or about ethnic costumes require big ganjam from Indonesia also. Their friendship also for about Tambal Pan or his job name Iran Cornell being a black god being sabotaged by them also. Peoples from continents Asia or countries from Asia continents include for their connection syndicate suspect activity on this millennium. Himi commanding goes from grave, contact very sustained and very experienced about supernatural telecommunications contact body. Getting clear and getting near for confirmations by Internet RD 6661 for discovery. Conference Internet RD 6661 for discovery. Particular and encoding for condition situations. This progress need to be authentic by recording a conference supporting Internet ID 6661 for discovery. Context say name one Cornell definitive available for the money reward 22 trillion rupiah being concentrated for accumulate and also calculating for the resources basic donations also and also about option for the appointment project include to alien farming global international but context peoples from country Indonesia or also government of the country Indonesia need to be responsible also but about donation or money reward to name one Cornell 22 trillion rupiah to all local each others from domestic country Indonesia, Aceh and through also Java and Kalimantan and Papua also. All local continents, domestic residents, country Indonesia. Context says 6661 discovery meaning definitive can be reached for the limited nominal 22 trillion rupiah actually, but need commitment about that by peoples and also about basic case following for supporting the total nominal 22 trillion rupiah and still non-trust connection for the responsible activity supernatural by local country Indonesia peoples from country Indonesia context says that also about friendship internet global social media they are on the basis also for their activity supernatural and also about the connections. Context say about social media Bigo APK. Through this moment, progress 2021 still need to conference by Internet ID 6661 cross conference because also our potential for following the project reward money to name in one connect 22 trillion rupiah actually include status as basic following my word for name one corner. Case following social media Biko APK. 6661 kali discovery meaning based context definitive pioneering the existence case supernatural from domiciliary residence, county Unisa, culture and also ethnic customs local preview media. Context says 6661 discovery meaning definitive being conspirate, being bullying, being manipulated for the information also and the connection friendship on social. 6661 discovery meaning the neighborhood from town Medan also on status as suspect criminal on this progress. Say 6661 Kodeska remaining definitive in support for his marriage and need to be conference as independence on this moment calendar. 19 November 2021 Friday, definitive get connected with international internet global worldwide friendship 6661 Kodeska remaining. About phenomena supernatural, definitive already being conversations with alien family global international authority about supernatural magician or contact also RFID Mark of the Beast International United States of America. Said Alien Tate and also Morgan Angel. Contact say their own status as conversations before. Since years before Reform 666 on called scarf remaining, all the confirmation with United Nations, Europe, and also Islam and America. Further Court Hime commanding goes to grave. Next journey appointment Valiant challenger or enemy called Millennium. The ritual numbering called Bibon 666 and about the Holy Spirit destiny as meaning include about that. 666 one discovery meaning definitive can be trust for the pioneering existence case because about that. Context saying the suspect activity already being concentrated for about local domestic each countries, but about terror on this millennium. Local peoples doing prank with method activity supernatural, ethnic or religion conspiration, or about him commanding ghosts to grave. This magician definitive non trans connection for the experience telecommunication by them. Context say the syndicate already one value for nominating about the total reward money for naming one corner 22 trillion rupiah. Definitive available, definitive responsible statement on internet global, non-internet hoax. Context says 6661 discovery on chance for position and bargaining about the appointment decoration Ellen Farmy National Money logo. 22 trillion rupiah include among them. Context similar with that and it will be improved by 6661 Police for next conversation and perfecting speech with Alien Family Global. As authority or status chairman official for about Internet ID 6661 Police project realization. Context a family of his parents. Name Adi Bana Merdeka getting suka definitive being let go by suspect. Definitive confusing situation because it is about syndicates on social about what criminal by them. Very many people with their identity also and untrust chronology historical of them. What criminal? Definitive they include to what criminal since years before 2008. Contact information say about them. 6661 can discover meaning to this moment calendar. Again, Father Aribana Merdeka based context being support by Count Tunisia for his status attribute iconic historical nation Count Tunisia. Pangkostrat RPK pemilik perbankan Indonesia, termasuk beliau kepada Bank Rakyat Indonesia, termasuk beliau kepada universitas-universitas beratribut negeri dan swasta se-Indonesia, termasuk beliau kepada status sebagai lisensi mata uang rupiah, termasuk beliau kepada status sebagai pemilik Bank Indonesia, termasuk beliau kepada status pemilik aset secara nasional Indonesia, badan-badan usaha milik negara, termasuk juga nama badan usaha milik negara itu sendiri. BUMN adalah nama yang berasal dari Adi Merdeka. Adi Bana Merdeka kita suka. Konteks terhubung menyatakan serupa demikian. Thank you very much from this Mayan calendar 19 November 2021 Friday. And people can search for the updates, information, and next conference internet ID 6661 Koreska Freely on internet social media. So it's also Google and Facebook also and YouTube also for the recording voice. Courtesy also there available and also can be uploaded from MP3 by apps or APK 6661 Koreska Freely. Thank you very much. The sixth day God was created human as similar with Father and Son and Holy Spirit. Actually, already confirmation international to alien family global for the appointment declaration proclamation existence in national my logo alien family numbering ko people and about Adi Bana Merdeka Gitisuga also as a primary victim and his family also being black gold being bullied by suspect syndicate confusing on social. Thank you very much. See you again on my next internet. Contagion just happened 6661 got discovered framing say being supported by Islam International and also for alien funds such independence proclamations on this moment progress. But then 6661 got discovered framing context says similar with that.